Hi, this is Jason with DavesComputerTips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to return an item on Amazon. That's right, you've probably ordered many things from Amazon, and maybe you've never returned anything before. Probably rare, but a lot of people actually don't do returns. They don't like them because they don't really know how it works. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video so you know exactly how it works, so you're not surprised by something weird. Before we get going, I want you to hit the like on this video. It really helps out our channel. Also hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos we come out with every Thursday. So we're going to start with going to your Amazon account. That's where you want to head to first. And once you're on your Amazon account, let's say you're in the home screen. Let's go home screen. You're going to go, once you sign in, you're going to go to the top right. And you're going to hit returns and orders. So it's going to show you what you've ordered recently. And I'm just going to choose, let's see. We're going to choose this item to return. So you just look through your order list and find out what you want to return. It's pretty straightforward. You're going to go to the right side. You're going to go to return or replace. You're going to click return. And when you do that, it's going to have your order, what else you had on it. You select the one you want to return, which obviously it selected the one I chose in the first place. And then it says, why are you returning this? Selecting the most accurate reason for your return helps us gather essential feedback that enables us to continuously improve our services and product quality. So what you do is you click this little arrow or just click this box, it'll do it. And then you're going to give it why. They give you many options of why you're returning it. Wrong item, defective, bought by mistake, no longer needed. So we're going to say, and these do adjust when you click this. You just have to follow the steps. So we're going to say I no longer needed it. And then it says, please tell us more, because they want to know more. They might ask you a couple more questions depending on which one you choose. They adapt to what they're going to ask next. So poor quality, better price, bought by mistake, too large. I'm going to say bought by mistake. And then required, they sometimes require you to leave a note. Like, what do you mean bought by mistake? Wrong. Hang on. So we're going to say wrong one I was looking for. So you can give them a reason. Comment says, no, we aren't able to offer policy exceptions, can I speak, in response to comments. So this is kind of what they give you right here. So once you do that, you're going to look to the side. Up here, you're going to hit continue. And then when you continue, it's going to go, oh, and then they'll say troubleshooting. Usually when it's an electronic device, they want to try to troubleshoot if something's not working. Obviously, there's nothing wrong with it. This is why we're returning. So we're going to continue to the return option. So you're going to continue by clicking that button. And then it's going to say, refund your Amazon account, estimated refund timing within 2 to 4 hours. And it is pretty darn quick. Once you get that, like if you drop it off at the UPS store, it's pretty fast. Or you can put it on your card. I usually like to take an account balance. So select which one you want. You can go over here now, and you're going to hit continue once you select the way you want to refund. So you're going to hit continue, and then what it's going to do is going to go to this screen. How would you like to return this item? And this is the confirm page. This is one of the important pages. So you can have UPS store drop off, which I find it's free, and that is the easiest one to do. You just drop it off, and within 2 hours you get your credit back to your account. And also if you do it by credit card, usually you get your refunded to your credit card once they get all the scanning done at the UPS store. So it's very quick. The UPS store will pack, label, and ship. This is another thing they give you is sometimes it says no box or label needed. Some say yes and some do not. Some just say bring it to them, they'll pack it up. Sometimes they say you do need the box. So make sure you read these directions when you come to the screen, the confirmation screen, because you need to make sure you follow what they say so you can get it returned quickly and promptly. So what you're going to do is you do that, you find that, QR code, ship return. So they're going to give you a QR code when we do this. So what we do is when you're ready, you pick the right one. You can pay money if you want to. No, thank you. Drop off or UPS pickup, box needed. See, it says box and label needed or box needed. When you do this, you don't need one. So you hit confirm. Now, I'm not going to do it on this one. It tells you actually over here, refund summary, refund subtotal, how much you're going to get back in credit or to your credit card. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how it was done, because I'm not going to, the next step would be, I'll scroll down, bear with me. Yeah, once we did all that, I'll have the link down to this article down below, so you can check it out. So this is what the step we were on, the confirmation. Then we're going to go down to this one. This is the next screen you'll get. It will be refund is issued after you drop off your return. You're going to get this. And this is when I did this one before. And it's going to tell you your amount, total estimated refund. And it's right now initiated. Once you drop it off, once it gets to this point, boom, and then they'll issue the refund or refund credited. So when you go down, you're going to get this. So what you're looking at, you'll get this screen. If you scroll down on that screen a little bit, you'll get this screen. And this will give you that QR code we wanted. You can download it. This is what you take to the UPS store to do your return. They'll scan that, and that's all they need to take it from you on that. So no need to box it. They'll give you all the UPS store return instructions. And if it's another option you chose, it will give you all the instructions again here, and they'll give you whatever label you need if you need it. If you are shipping it, it'll give you a label to print to put on the box. It's pretty straightforward. If you just follow the steps, and that's how you're going to do it. And that once it's done, you'll get a return, and then you'll get your credit back. So that is how easy it is to do an Amazon return. They're not hard to do at all. You just got to make sure to follow each of the steps and read all the little information so you don't miss anything. So that's it. That's how to return an item on Amazon, and you can do that with any item you want. Obviously, we're not doing it here, so I'll go back here. It's going to say, what? I'm not doing a return, but you can do it on any item in your cart as long as it gives you the option to say return item. Some items are not returnable. Certain things actually like certain like chemicals you can't return, certain things like that. So everything has their own, guidelines on how to return it, but this is pretty much how most of them work. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out DavesComputerTips.com, where all our articles are, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching.